Welcome to our channel. If you want to build or rebuild your credit with a secured credit card, follow these step-by-step instructions to apply successfully. Step 1. Understand that secured credit cards require a refundable security deposit that typically becomes your credit limit, making them accessible for those with limited or poor credit. Step 2. Research secured credit cards from reputable issuers like Discover, Capital One, or your local credit union. Compare annual fees, deposit requirements, and features. Step 3. Check if the card reports to all 3 major credit bureaus: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. This is essential for building your credit history effectively. Step 4. Apply online through the card issuer's website by providing personal information, including name, address, social security number, income, and employment details. Step 5. Determine your security deposit amount, typically ranging from $200 to $500, which will become your initial credit limit on the card. Step 6. Submit payment for your security deposit once approved. Most issuers accept bank transfers, debit cards, or checks for the deposit. Step 7. Receive your secured credit card in the mail within 7 to 10 business days. Activate it by calling the number provided or through the issuer's mobile app. Step 8. Use the card responsibly by making small purchases monthly and paying the full balance before the due date to build positive credit history and eventually qualify for an unsecured card. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.